For decades, scientists couldn't understand how the inhabitants of a faraway island in the Aegean Sea could live on average for a whole 10 years longer than Americans, all with lean, healthy bodies that pulse with powerful, natural energy day after day. And then recently, their secret to optimal health and longevity was revealed. Introducing the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, the blend of fruit and plant extracts allowing you to enjoy the toned, slim body and young-looking face that you crave. It also supports a healthy liver, your key fat-burning organ, a healthy cardiovascular system, and a stronger body better equipped to flush out toxins, all while you enjoy surges of natural energy that enable you to take the world on, helping you feel younger by the day. The Ikaria Lean Belly Juice contains only natural ingredients. It is manufactured right here in the USA, where regular checks and tests are carried out to ensure potency and quality. You have a full 180 days to decide if the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is right for you. If at any point during the next 6 months following your order, you are less than delighted with your results, simply contact us and we will refund your order, no questions asked.
I always find a way to say the wrong thing.